Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Twin Turbo. So today I am heading over to Advanced Auto Parts to get the car ramps. They actually had a 25% off newsletter coupon code, and I am getting these car ramps for like $42 after tax, which is pretty sick. The car ramps will come in handy, like I mentioned on my last video, getting this thing up off the ground a little bit better. The front splitter I got is painted gloss black. I'm not the biggest fan of it not coming with any instructions at all. I'm gonna lay it out on the floor in my office and kind of show you what I got and what it came with, which is not much. I think I'm gonna try to get some double-sided 3M tape just for safe measure. Like there's like 14 screws that are just gonna go around the front, and you know, I mean, it looks sick and it's a very common one. So on Instagram, every time I see these front splitters, I'm like, where did you get it? And 8 times out of 10, eBay. So I get on eBay, they have awesome feedback. They've sold thousands with like almost, maybe try that again. Yeah, I'll just let you know what I do to make it work. You can't beat the price. It's like $100, I believe. I'll link it down below, like I did on the real carbon fiber spoiler, which by the way is very minimalistic. If you're not wanting to do anything crazy and you just want to give it that little extra curve on the back, that's a great spoiler. It looks really good in the sunlight. I know the video that I made of the spoiler was a little, you know, not the best as far as lighting goes, but you're gonna be seeing this car more and more, and I'll be sure that I, you know, include the spoiler as we continue with the build, and we will just kind of record the progress on how to install it. We got the car ramps, and I went ahead and picked up some 3M double-sided tape just to be safe. So, such a beautiful day out. Let's get this done. So we got the front lip out of the box here, and this is actually painted black. So yeah, they did a really good job on the finish here. Here, I'll kind of show you what it's gonna look like a little bit. Super aggressive. So it's gonna kind of look like this right here. And as you can see, the paint almost matches, well actually I think it matches almost perfect. So, and it has a little fin on the side there. It did not come with any instructions, like I mentioned. So if you flip this over like this, you have these like little tabs sticking down, which are gonna go in those 2 holes right there. So we're gonna set that on there like that. And then let me grab the screws real quick. They give you, you're gonna need a total of 4 of these small screws, because 2 here and then 2 there. And then they give you a bunch of longer screws for these holes that we're gonna put on the bumper. And like I said, I got some double-sided tape we're gonna use, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the bumper together so it's all one piece. The 4 tiny screws holding it all as one piece. And then I rubbed it down with isopropyl alcohol, and after it dried, I just used the amount of 3M tape that, you know, I got. I wasn't able to do the whole thing, but I think those are the critical areas that'll help. Not in the instructions or anything, but I think it's gonna just provide a little extra stability. So Mike's car wash is always screwing me, but this is why I really don't care for plasti dip. As you can see, look at that. All right, so guys, I had to take off the plasti dip on the bottom. It was peeling up, and I couldn't leave just one strip chrome. It looks horrible, so let me know what you guys think. I'll get a better shot of this after we put the front lip on. But any ideas of what you would recommend, or if there are any grill inserts out there, link it down in the description or something like that. But we'll kind of see how it looks. I want it all to match though. All right guys, so this is the reason why I wanted to do the 3M, because there are no screws holding it in yet, but I was able to get it lined up good, and now we can hit it with the screws. You did a great job with this paint as far as the matching goes. That's so awesome. $100 for a painted front spoiler. Sick. This worked out great. Every single time that I drove a screw up, you could tell it just pulled it flat. They got really good bite, but definitely with these, I would not recommend that you go up at a straight angle, just because I would hate for it to be poking out of the plastic. So I kind of just drove it in at a slight angle inward, and it worked out perfect. And then we also have the 3M tape on there, which it squeezed that even tighter. Definitely have a good fit on here. Just follow them all the way around. Super easy. Might help if you have a second person though. I got my brother here helping me now, so. Okay, wish me luck, guys. I'm backing this thing off the ramp. Really, really hope it doesn't freaking hit. Ready? We made it, yeah! Alright guys, so this was a quick video of the install, the front lip. Again, you know, Mike's Car Wash, I'm not a huge fan of Plasti Dip for that reason. I need your guys' opinion. Let me know what you think as far as maybe, you know, maybe I need to do the Plasti Dip thicker. I put on like 6 coats. I put a ton on there because it came off real easy. But, you know, there's always that factor of chips and peels and bubbles and water getting in there in the car washes, and I don't know. But let me know what you guys think as far as making it all match, or if you think it looks cool the way it is, having that bottom part only chrome matching the side mirrors. So this was a quick video. Smash that like button. Let's get these videos out there. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all the support. Stay tuned. We got much more coming on this build. Peace.